Who's looking for free movies, free TV shows, live TV, all at the palm of your hand on your Fire TV stick? Guys, if you're looking to set this up, check this out real quick. First things first, you're going to need to download an application called Downloader. Just go in the search function, type in Downloader. If you don't already own it, get it, install it, and away we go. Once you've downloaded Downloader, we're going to need to jailbreak our Fire Stick. In order to do that, just click on the little cog wheel, go all the way over to My Fire TV. If you don't have developer options, click on your little select button 5, 6, 7 times. It already says no need, I'm already one. And then you can go into developer, install unknown apps, and turn on Downloader. Our Fire Stick is now jailbroken. Okay guys, once we have Downloader downloaded, next thing to download is a good VPN. A VPN will help us keep everything secure in our account and also be able to move our location, because some of these apps may not work where you're from. But if we say we're from, I live in Canada, if I say I'm in the States, come on down, type in Nord, N-O-R-D, you can tell it already came up, install it, get it, use the link below, and you get 66% off of NordVPN today. Turn on Nord, my United States option, and there we go. Now I'm in the States, and once we start downloading these things, everything's good to go. Open up Downloader. Super quick. In the URL, type in 5, 4, 6, 8, 3, 5. And this is a quick link to our website, ledbytheunknown.com. Once we're in here, give it a 5-second redirect. Hit the little hamburger button on your remote and save this. Add it to your current page as your favorites and save to access. So just come on down a little bit, find the downloads page. It was just recently updated, and under the downloads page we're going to be able to download applications for our Fire TV stick that are available on the Google Play Store, just maybe not on the Amazon store. Once we're in here guys, I'd highly suggest getting a VPN. You get out your phone, click the QR code, and install your VPN today. This is for NordVPN. It is a affiliate link, and it costs no more than a cup of coffee a month. Today, let's try Pluto TV. Right onto our Fire Stick. You can do Peacock if you want. You can do Zumo. Install. So for Pluto TV, and we're going to hit done and delete the APK. Now we can do the same with Zumo if you want Pluto or Peacock, and you keep go down guys. There's way more applications to check out. Ones you will really like. Go down, check out the other applications. When we go home, once we're at home here, we head across to your apps and games. Go down, hit Pluto, use the little hamburger icon on your remote, move to the front. As you can tell, it puts it right up front for you. So we can hit on Pluto TV. And here we go. We're ready. Everything's there. Everything old school. Ooh, I'm watching that tonight. The original Top Gun. I'm watching that. Tango and Cash. Oh, man. All right. That's it. Hope you enjoy it. I'm out. Peace. Welcome to the part of the show that doesn't exist, folks. Trying something new. I don't know if you like it or not. Me big, me small, me here, me there. Is it too movie? I don't know. I feel like I'm in a roller coaster trying to look at multiple cameras. And I'm not even looking at the damn cameras. I'm looking at myself. Why am I looking at myself? I should flip it around so I can't see myself. I just see the background, but whatever. I don't know what I was going to do today. What was I going to do? Hot summer, folks. Hot summer. Hope you're enjoying it. It's been wet. It's been dry. It's been really wet. It's been too dry. It's been hot, humid. Hope you're all staying safe, being good. If you guys have any requests about the Fire Stick and what you would like to see on it, please let me know. I want to do a couple videos that makes it 100% free. No need for a VPN. No need for anything else. Some of these you do need a VPN. Some you do not. But remember, a VPN always helps in the background. Keeps your security safe. Especially lately with people hacking. You push one thing on a Facebook post now, boom! You're all spreading gossip everywhere. Not gossip you want to spread. So please, stay safe, physically, outside, inside, and digitally, online and offline. All right? That's my piece for today. Maybe I should start scripting these. I don't know. Or do you like the fly where I'm kind of confused and don't know what to say? I really don't think many people make it this far. If you do, thank you. If you don't, ha ha! Surprise! There's a couple for you to watch. And they're all just as slow and dumb as this, but that's okay, right? Guys, the website's coming along nicely. I need to get my ass in gear, stop being lazy. People keep saying number one thing is being lazy. 80% of people are lazy. They don't want to do stuff, but they sure do want everything. So maybe that's something that we can work on, right? All right. Take care. Peace.